Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to make a phyllo dough crinkle cake. I had this all the way from the holidays. I'd never used it. I made some pinwheels recently and Naya loved them, some cinnamon pinwheels. So I found this recipe called a cinnamon crinkle cake, and I'm going to continue crinkle these and show you what I'm doing. And I'm also making a simple syrup that I will be adding some cinnamon, some milk, and some other things to it, eggs and stuff to put on top of this. So stay tuned for the finished product. Now it goes in the oven for 10 minutes to crisp. I like pecan, so I'm going to put some on part of it. The sugar has melted. Melting a half a stick of plant butter. 1 egg, 1/2 a cup of milk, 1/2 a cup of sugar. For the custard, 2 teaspoons of vanilla and almond extract and cinnamon. Butter melted. Gonna wipe this on with a brush. When it first come out, you're gonna spread the butter over it after the first 10 minutes of it being in the oven. Butter, spread it. Back in the oven for 10 minutes. This is the second time going in, and it's what it looked like so far. And I gotta put the custard stuff on it and put it back in one more time. All right, the last time in the oven. This looks kind of like French toast stuff, but yeah. I decided to put cinnamon in mine. I think cinnamon is gonna make it next level. Back into the oven for about 30 minutes. Since it's convection, I'm gonna do 22 minutes, 20 minutes for me to check it. Look at that. The timer just now going off. But now you put the simple syrup that was made over it and let it cool, and then it's time to eat it. I am going to make this my own because I did way less than what they said. I don't want it thick, real custardy. I want it kind of crunchy, but a little bit of texture. But I'm just drizzling the simple syrup. I am not about to pour all this syrup. It just seems like too much. I should have did maybe 1/2 a cup of this as well as 1/2 a cup of water, because now I've wasted some sugar. But it's my first time trying it, and I love baklava. And I mean, I'm not going to say I love it like it's something I'm like, oh, I need baklava. No, I will eat it, and I love the taste of it. That's what I mean. But sometimes it's just not made correctly. And so I wanted to come up with something that will be similar. And I seen this crinkle cake recipe, and I'm like, let's try it. I just don't want it extra sweet. Sometimes I've gotten baklava where it is like ridiculously sweet. So that's not what I want to go for. I don't want to go for something that's ridiculously sweet. So I'm just pouring it on and allowing the phyllo dough to just infuse with it. And then that'll be it. I'm going to figure out something to do with this. I might be able to make a syrup with that, a different type of syrup. But yeah, I definitely am not pouring all that on here. I just feel like it'll be too much of something. So yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to let this sit and then I'm going to actually try it. All right, so let's dig into here. Still can hear the crunch. Let's put some on the plate. So that's a close-up of what it looks like. Let's see how it tastes. This will be good with some apples, some ice cream. Yeah, I'm going to not make as much simple syrup next time. I'm going to not add as much syrup in the custard. Sugar in the custard. And I think it'll give me exactly what I want. It's giving me the taste, the texture that I want. And instead of putting 2 sticks of butter like most people do, I only did 1/2 a stick of plant-based butter. And I added a little bit of salt to the butter. And I added a little bit of grapeseed oil. But this right here is amazing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove like 1/2 of the sugar, and it still will be okay. I like it. I wish I had some vanilla ice cream because this would be so good. So good. So guys, I wanted to share the process, but it wasn't really an actual video of how to make it. But this was something new that I tried and I really enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Join the family by hitting that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load in a video. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys later, gators.